Quick little video. Got to finish up doing the rest of it. Motor and trans is already in. I got to send it to the exhaust shop, get the exhaust done. I'm going to go ahead and wire it up before it goes to the exhaust shop, put this computer in the inside. Just a few more things. Oh, actually going to change this gas tank too. He's going home, hopefully within the next few days. This one as well as this other project right here. We got a 4L80 and a 6.0 swap in there. I mean, not much major, but it's somebody's Tahoe, somebody's dream. This guy say he done sold 6 of them, so I know he has his niche for what he wants to do. But yeah, S10 something that came in quick. You know, Monte Carlo's going home. He's actually starting and running. You know, it's funny, people always wonder why you do stuff like this. And it's just like, I just set it up there because I know I got to get back down there again. I'm not planning on detaching it and attach it and detach it every time you want to modify something. I just wanted to sit it up there to get my start up so I know this vehicle works, man. Anyway, he started up. He's running at least. Now it's time to start beautifying the stuff. But that's the 87 Luxury Sport, man. It's going to be for a teenager. It's really going to be worth it, man. Anyway, just showing you guys a quick project. I like this one. I like this one. Stay tuned. I have some more footage coming up. Startup video is going to be pretty much basic little run, fans, and maybe a drive around the corner. My Monte Carlo, I'm about to do something nasty with that. I'm trying to do donuts, so I'm going to have to wait till after 7. Anyway, I'm in the process of getting some more vehicles up here, so I got vehicles that's maybe about 10 miles from this location, but I'm just bringing them here as I do them, you know. Anyway, you guys stay tuned. I got a C10, I got the Jeep, I got the 98 OBS, I got another 59, I have another 73 that I need to get out too, that Gen 3 swap. So yeah, I got quite a few things I want to go ahead and get done, man. Things been going on around me. A lot of stuff seemed like it's been in chaos, man. And it seemed like at times the enemy try to knock you down when you feeling like you up. But the funny thing is, while I'm saying this, man, at a time period, things would have hurt me as much. But I'm blessed to have what I have and can